I know it's hard to be alone. Do you wish someone could understand your feelings? Maybe you are a little shy to start a new relationship with a new person. Maybe you don't have enough money to go to a restaurant with that girl. If your problem is money, I suggest you watch some of my previous video. Maybe it can help you. But if you are still watching this video, congratulations, because today you are going to meet someone who is going to listen to all your words, understand your feelings, and fall in love with you. She learns many things from you, helps you do your work, and even plays games with you. My friends, say hello to your virtual girlfriend. It's about myanima.ai. Virtual AI Girlfriend is an AI application that allows users to interact with a virtual character. This AI tool is designed to converse with the user, display emotions, and be available as a virtual friend. This tool can answer questions, manage various discussions, and gradually learn the user's preferences and interests over time. Even users can customize their virtual characters as they wish. This includes selecting the name, appearance, personality, and even the voice of Anima. This AI can simulate different emotions and can also play various games with the user. Now, all in one, what do you think? But of course, a virtual character can never replace real human connections, but it can be an interesting experience.